Do you feel the vibes?
Installation of the UK's first 150 kilowatts electric vehicle rapid chargers will begin in this half of 2018, the CEO of PodPoint has told Autocar. The brand's new chargers will have the highest F-plug power in Britain. Erik Fairbairn, who founded the London-based charger company in 2009, said this will allow them to provide significantly faster charge times than the UK's current network of 50 kilowatts plugs. This will enable the latest EV models, such as the Jaguar I-Pace, Audi e-tron and Volkswagen ID, to achieve their headline charge times. "We're bringing this to market as the UK is on the cusp of an electric revolution," said Fairbairn. "We're about to see a lot more EVs go on sale, so bringing the 150 kilowatts charger out now is a logical next step for us." The plug-in car segment soared by 34.8% last year, representing 4.7% of the new car market with 119,000 examples registered. The I-Pace, which is due on roads in July, is claimed to be capable of charging its 90 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack to 80% in just 45 min. With the UK's current 50 kilowatts rapid chargers, it would need around 90 min. Everything you wanted to know about electric cars. Fairbairn said PodPoint's new 150 kilowatts chargers won't risk overloading the UK's electricity infrastructure. Despite concerns that more powerful plugs could cause power shortages in some areas, Tesla's Superchargers are capable of dispensing 145 kilowatts, but current Tesla models can only accept up to 120 kilowatts. "The reality, in my view, is that a lot of the grid problems have been overstated," Fairbairn said. "I admit there is a challenge, but much of it can be overcome with smart charging." Fairbairn said that places with multiple 150 kilowatts chargers would be able to manage the flow of power to each car in order to charge each one before the owner returns without overloading the local network. "We installed 67 chargers this week in one place of Works car park," he explained. "Of course, it couldn't power all 67 flat out at once, but we can sequence and control the charge of them, so they're all charged intelligently." Britain needs smart EV chargers to prevent overloading the grid. While such technology may seem complicated, Fairbairn said that the latest systems aren't much harder to roll out than previous ones. To make a 150 kilowatts charger is not mind-blowingly more difficult than to make a 50 kilowatts one, he said, because you're effectively just putting more things in parallel. As such, Fairbairn expects PodPoint's first 150 kilowatts chargers to be installed in the UK in about 3 months. From this time, the company will also allow 50 kilowatts chargers to be installed with 150 kilowatts transformers in order to future-proof them, thus avoiding high infrastructure upgrade costs in the future. Fairbairn thinks 350 kilowatts chargers, like the ones currently being rolled out in Germany, Norway, and Austria, could be added to Britain's network in small numbers in as little as 18 months. ChargeMaster, another British charger company, is also working on 150 kilowatts chargers. A spokesman said that they're in the development pipeline, so could be installed in Britain in 2019. The government is contributing to the expansion of the UK's charger network as well, having established an on-street residential charging scheme that can be used to pay for 75% of charger installation costs. Just 5 UK councils have dipped into the pot of available money so far. However, the ChargePoint spokesman pointed out that councils may be unable to provide even 25% of money towards new chargers due to the government's ongoing austerity measures. National Grid, which controls the UK's electricity network, recently pitched a network of 50 EV charging stations with a capacity of up to 350 kilowatts across England and Wales, as well as a similar network in Scotland.